Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here on the last day of Warbirds over Delaware 2025. We got a Spitfire, unique scheme, British markings but with camouflage wing. Very interesting. Small one, but nonetheless, no matter how small they are, they're equally as cool. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
None of them.
In reality, it would be.
I'm here late tonight.
It's a hurricane.
It's right there.
Spitfire was an interesting airplane powered by the Rolls-Royce Merlin engine, which was powered by the Packard-built Merlin engine. There are differences. that Japan had early on in the war. It was highly maneuverable because its ailerons were larger than they perhaps should have been. This caused problems too. Now, years ago, during World War II, a Japanese pilot up in the Aleutian Islands got into trouble. Had to make a forced landing. He thought he was landing in a field. Unfortunately, it turns out that he landed in a marsh. The airplane flipped over and the pilot, unfortunately, was killed. However, one of our planes flying over the area spotted the Zero and said, holy Batman.
Folks, we're going to call that popcorn Spitfire butter right there. He had a pop and a hop, but he brought it back safely. Just beautiful. Great pilot, great flying, very unique plane. A real pleasure to watch. All right, friends, more to come.